In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark items as sold in Facebook Marketplace. If you've successfully found a buyer for something you're selling and need to update your listing, this guide is for you. Let's dive right into it so you can manage your sales effectively and continue engaging with potential buyers. First, you'll want to head over to Facebook. Simply open your favorite web browser or the Facebook app on your smartphone and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page where you'll typically see your news feed. From there, look towards the left side of the page or the bottom menu on mobile. This is where you'll find quick links to different sections, including Marketplace. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. Now that you're in Marketplace, you'll see a variety of listings. This is where people buy and sell items locally. To access your own sales, look for the Selling tab. This tab might be located on the left-hand side of the desktop view or under the menu options on your mobile device. Click on Selling, and this will take you to a page that showcases all of the items you've currently listed in the marketplace. Once you've accessed your list of selling items, locate the listing that you'd like to mark as sold. There should be a button or option nearby that says Mark as Sold. Once you click on this, Facebook will ask for confirmation to ensure you're sure about marking this item as sold, since this will remove it from the active marketplace listings. You'll then be prompted with the question asking if the item was sold on Facebook. If you completed the transaction with a buyer through Facebook, you can click Yes, Sold on Facebook. This helps Facebook track marketplace success and can be beneficial if you need to review past sales. After confirming the sale, click Next. This simple step ensures that your listing is marked as sold, and it no longer appears as available in Marketplace. It also frees up your listings and keeps your active selling items organized, making you ready to post new items or manage existing ones more efficiently. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily mark your items as sold on Facebook Marketplace and keep your selling activities up to date. This helps maintain a clear profile for your potential buyers and reflects well on having a responsible selling approach. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident about managing your sales on Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling, and until next time.